In this video, we're gonna talk about how you can build your own self-service laundromat. We have Joyce Yeo. Super galing. Tawag na laundry queen of the Philippines ba yun? Parang ganon. But she's gonna share her expertise on how you can start your own laundry business here in the Philippines. So if you want to know more, check this video out.
Hi guys, please subscribe to Marvin Jervo's channel and hit the bell for notifications.
Oh, please, parang awa mo na. And stay till the end kasi titignan natin paano siya yumaman sa laundromat. Sobrang galing niya guys, sobra. As in, kahit ako ngayon, feeling ko mahirap ako. So, stay till the end, stay till the end. Hey guys, so in this video, we have a very special guest. Super, she's known for her expertise in the laundry shop industry and the laundry business. So, this is for people na kung gusto mong matuto, magkaroon ng sarili mong laundry shop, ito yung pag-uusapan natin sa video na to. So, I'd like to welcome into this vlog, Joyce Yeo.
Yo!
Yo, okay.
Hi! Good afternoon.
Parang,
Hi! Okay.
parang excited ka.
Oo nga sir, kasi alam mo naman, yung first time ko makita si sir.
Grabe
so,
naman.
Anong tawag doon? Yan, kinakabahan ako sir.
Sobra ka naman,
Sobrang idol ko to si sir.
Sobra naman. Sobrang, tignan nyo yung YouTube channel niya guys, sobrang galing. So, what she does in her YouTube channel, she talks about yung mga laundry shop, laundry business kasi she owns a laundry business in what area?
UERM. In Quezon City.
UERM. Okay. Ngayon, ito yung question ko. If I'm a Filipino or I'm an OFW na gusto ko mag-business ngayon 2020, then na-realize ko, kasi I've been saying this in my previous videos na one way for you to make money is to look for convenience. Meaning, madaming Pinoy gusto na ng mga convenient ways for them na instant food, instant shopping, kaya nga madami nag-shopping tsaka Lazada. And one of that part of the convenience is yung laundry shop.
Yes.
Wala na naglalaba ngayon. So, ngayon, if I want to start a laundry shop, magkano kailangan kong gastusin? Ano yung mga steps na kailangan kong gawin para makapagbukas ako?
Okay.
Go! You can share your story na rin.
Okay. So, yun nga. As I always say sa videos ko, sa laundry kasi may forever. Sir, kasi hindi tayo nauubusan ng labahin, di ba? Palaging nandyan yung mga labahin natin. So, I happen to find sa good location. So, and then, isip ko nga to put up a laundry business. So, laundry business kasi, una-una, it requires a big capital also. So, kailangan mo talagang pag-aralan how to set it up para start pa lang, you'll be successful. Kumbaga, you need to find the right location for the laundry business.
Ano yung mga parang parameters mo para masabi na itong area na to ay isang good location pag nag-start ako ng laundry shop?
Okay. So, based on my experience, sir, ang pinakamagandang location for a laundry business, syempre, is either nasa baba ka ng condo or ng dormitories, may mga katabi kang condos, ganyan. So, kumbaga, maano yung foot traffic. So, yun yung mga magandang location for the laundry business.
Okay, so pag na-determine mo na yung laundry, yung area na yun, meron bang particular size na ng shop na pwedeng, na yun yung ideal ito na yung tamang size para doon na sinastock yung damit, doon na rin yung mga, syempre may supplies ka pa, tapos may yung machines mismo. What's the standard size for a common laundry shop?
Okay, so for the minimum size ng place na kailangan mo for a laundry business, it depends din kasi kung what's your plan. Kasi ngayon yung nauuso is the laundry business na makakapagbigay ka comfort of doing the laundry.
Okay.
So, yung iba, they have coffee shop. So, but the minimum for you to have the provision for 5 machines, tapos may receiving area ka na, should be 35 square meters more than. So,
Okay.
it depends on what's your plan. Kung ano yung gusto mo pang i-offer kasama ng laundry business mo.
Okay, tapos you said 5 machines. May logic ba doon? Why should people start with 5 machines? Ano yung pinaka-concept nun? Bakit 5?
Okay, so, kasi kung i-base natin, no, kung 5 machines ka, sa isang araw, madami ka ng magagawang cycle ng laba. Kasi, sir, ano to siya eh, this is a self-service laundry. So, may per cycle yung bayad dito. So, pag pumunta ko, yung customer mo, so, one cycle is for 40 minutes.
Okay.
So, kapag mas marami kang machine, so mas marami yung cycle na pwede mong gawin. So, mas marami yung revenue ma-earn mo for a day. But if you're just, kumbaga, limited yung capital mo, you can start with 3 machines. And then when you earn, with the provision of 5 machines, pwede ka nang magdagdag.
Okay. Pero do you suggest, for example, meron naman siya madami na siyang pera, they start with 7, 8, 9 machines or 5 talaga yung pinaka-ideal pag nagsa-start?
I think para mag-gauge mo, I
Okay.
think it's better to start with 5 machines. So
Okay.
that's kumbaga, yung safest na you can, pwede ka na mag-earn ng mababawi mo siya within 2 years kasi medyo mababa yung capital. So, kumbaga, yun. 5 machines is
Okay, 5 machines is ideal. Yung why did you enter this instead of yung mga, 'di ba may mga laundromat naman na may naglalaba talaga na mano-mano, iwan mo tapos ikikilo nila tapos they'll laundry it for you. Why self-service versus yung traditional na laundromats? Ano
Okay,
advantage
so,
niya?
Advantage. So, for me, as someone na, kumbaga, nagre-rent din ako before, so naisip ko, sabi ko, I want, kumbaga, gusto ko magpalaba kung saan yung mas malinis. Kasi, I realized na kapag self-service laundry ka, kasi yun lang yung lalabahan yung damit mo lang. I'm not saying na sa full service sinasama-sama nila, but there's a possibility. Kumbaga, ganon siya. So, for the self-service kasi, yun lang yung labada mo lang, yung lalaban mo for the machine.
Okay.
And also, kumbaga, mas mabilis siya. You can get your convenience. Kumbaga, pagkapalaba mo, makukuha mo na siya within 1 hour.
Okay.
So, yun
So,
yung
again,
advantages.
it goes back to convenience. People will always look for convenience. The more convenient it is, willing sila gumastos ng kahit magdagdag sila ng pera, as long as it will be more convenient for them, it will be better. So, ayun. You've already determined the location. You already said yung mga square meters na kailangan, tapos 5 machines. Next step.
Next step for okay, so if you already have the capital, so
Okay.
now is the time for you to find the good supplier and mag-gauge mo kung ano yung machine na dapat mong gamitan. So for us, we're using LG. So sa LG kasi 2 years na okay pa rin yung machine namin, and it's like Toyota, you can find yung mga madali siya maintenance.
Okay.
So for me, I suggest sa mga nagpapacoach sa akin to start with LG, and hindi siya sobrang mahal. So dapat makakuha ka ng supplier na mapagkakatiwalaan mo talaga. Kasi ngayon, I think marami ako naririnig na nagsiset up sila ng laundry and then medyo tumatakbo
Talaga?
kapag nakapagbigay ka na ng money. Kaya lagi ko sinasabi na you really have to find a good supplier, something that yung trusted talaga.
Okay. So, comment below. By the way, guys, if you're learning now, if you have any questions, put them in the comment section. So, maybe if we do another video, we'll be able to answer it there as well. So, supplier. Pero you said that once the capital is there already, meron ka bang suggested capital that they should at least set aside for a laundry shop? No, tapos hindi lang yung, I'm thinking of not just yung capital for the equipment, pati syempre, meron ka rin buffer para dun sa
Yes.
supplies mo na I don't know, yung mga sabon or whatever na kailangan mo buffer, yung kailangan mo rin buffer na ilang months na siguro pang sweldo. How much should people set aside for this?
For us, we set aside mga for 6 months kailangan na meron kang kumbaga yung expenses mo ma-cover niya.
Okay.
Kung hindi ka kumikita, kailangan meron kang certain working capital
Okay.
na meron ka for 6 months. Kasi
Okay.
like for example, kasi dito sa Manila for the rent, medyo mahal yung rent dito sa
Okay.
Manila, and for the employees naman, you can start with 1 kasi
Okay.
self-service siya. And then also sa sabon naman, ito yung maganda dun, sir, kasi sa sabon, if you buy like Breeze, kunwari, or Surf, ganyan. So you can, kumbaga parang kang sari-sari store.
Okay.
Pwede silang bumili sa'yo, pwede naman silang magdala ng sabon nila sarili. So for the, babalik din yung capital mo sa mga sabon. So parang kang sari-sari store.
So yung cost ng sabon, sila rin talaga. Unlike yung yung full service, diba, carried na yun nung shop as
So
well.
that's the difference.
Okay. Range of costs of machines. I guess yun yung pinakamalaking gastos din when they start a laundry business.
Ganito siya, sir. So sa machine, for a set washer and dryer, one set, 155,000.
Okay.
But ang mahal kasi sir is the installation. Kasi sa installation doon na yung mga pipings yan.
Okay.
So housing para hindi lumabas yung init.
Okay.
So doon tayo gagastos ng medyo malaki din.
Okay.
So for that, ngayon nagre-range yung mga installation for 200,000. That's only the pipings,
Okay.
ganon, mga wires, mga ganon.
Pero that installation is for one machine, so one machine 200,000 or installation
For the
din
whole-
for everything.
for everything. So,
Okay. So kaya sulit bumili na ka ng lima talaga kasi
Yes.
one cost, isang piping na lang lahat yun.
Kasi, kung magdadagdag ka pa another 5, so
Okay.
another installation cost for you.
Okay.
So, another 200,000.
Okay, so machine, so 150 per machine, so 5 machines, that's around mga 750 plus
750.
installation. So a million almost na just for the
Machine and
machines and installation. Meron ka ba kailangan pang, nakita sa video mo, may mga water tank ka pa dun sa sa ano mo, so you have to buy that
Yes,
also.
kasi syempre yung water talaga yung main ingredient natin sa paglalaba. So yung water, you really need to have good supply of water. So kahit maganda yung supply ng water, kailangan mo pa rin ng water tank para in case, kumbaga, i-store nila yung water doon in case mawala ng water, then mas malakas
Okay.
yung pressure.
Is it so, di ba nagka-problem yung Manila Water tsaka Maynila? So, pag gano'n, may water tank kayo, hindi kayo affected sa mga ganong issues din?
Oo, kasi may
Okay.
naka-store kami na water. Ganun siya.
Ah,
But yun nga, so thank you for mentioning that, sir. Kasi you really have to find a location na may magandang supply ng water. Kasi kung
Okay.
wala, nako, mahirapan tayo.
so, nangyayari ba yun sa ibang laundry
Nangyayari
mats din?
yan, oo. Kaya minsan hindi nagiging successful din yung laundry business kasi nahihirapan sa water.
Okay.
Ganon. And yun, for the start, yun nga, yung location is,
Very, very important. So, part yun of the research, no? Please take note na dapat yung area na pupuntahan nyo, hindi na mawalan ng tubig at least dun sa area na yun. So, nung nag-analyze ka also dun sa gagawin mo, naging tactical ba na ganito ba dapat, estudyante talaga dapat yung magiging target ko na pupuntahan tsaka condo? Or inano mo ba na etong area na to puro BPO nakatira dito? Ganun mo ba siya quantify nung nag-start ka?
okay, so when we started kasi nakita namin na that place, marami dong students. Tapos sa baba kasi siya ng condo, so they don't have provisions for you to do your laundry. So they don't have a choice para kailangan nilang magpalaba sa'yo.
Okay.
So that's one strategy also. Tapos ang katabi niya kasi mga condo. Ang natakot lang kami before is for the students kasi nung student din ako, nang nagdo-dorm ako, mas gusto ko pang iuwi yung mga labada ko para ipalaba sa bahay, di ba? Kasi I don't have that much budget para magpalaba. Pero kasi ngayon, yun nga, hindi na sila magbabother na umuwi pa dalhin yung labada kasi nga sobrang busy na din. So that's a good target market, yung mga BPO yung mga walang time maglaba and walang provision kasi mga condo ngayon hindi ka pwedeng maglaba kasi wala nga silang laundry area. So magandang strategy, and one good thing, sir, and one strategy pati is kunwari wala kang masyadong space sa laundry business mo, sa pagtatayuan mo, maganda sana may katabi kang another commercial area. Kunwari may milk tea. Yan. So kunwari ako maglalaba, hindi ako makatambay sa laundry shop, pupunta muna ako sa milk tea. So hintayin ko na lang matapos, balikan ko, and then, so ganun, magandang strategy.
Good idea yun, ha? Pero while you were saying that, I've heard so many people na rin say na maganda maglagay ng water refill station tsaka laundromat near condos. Pero kung ganun yung everyone's thinking that way, nagkakaunahan ba sa spot sa mga condo para pinag-aagawan ba siya? Or not everyone thinks that way pa sa ngayon?
Actually, that's the struggle also, sir.
Okay.
Tama. Kasi ang nangyayari ngayon, sa mga condo kasi, ang gusto nila is may magandang plan ka and
Okay.
unahan talaga siya. So, you need, kasi ang dami na naming na-try na nagpapasa kami ng proposal sa mga condo. So, hahanapan ka na if existing na, and then ano yung magiging itsura ng shop mo.
Gusto na yung maganda, no?
Yes, oo, kasi it's one, kumbaga, makakapanghatak din siya ng tao. But they do love laundry business kasi nandun na kumbaga sa isang condo, hindi ka nalalabas. May
Okay.
water na, may laundry. So gusto nila yon, but you need to have parang maganda na laundry shop para bago ka nila i-approve. Pero ang nangyayari nga is nagkakaroon ng unahan factor sa condo.
So, very, very important. Pina-prioritize ba nila yung di ba, yung mga nakatira sa condo na yun, sila yung mas may priority or not necessary?
Not necessary.
Naman. Okay, follow up dun sa question dun sa water tank kanina. You said, may tubig kayo na naka-ready. One tank, how many will that last for a day or parang minsan kulang na yon?
So it depends siguro sa dami ng
Transactions.
cycles.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay.
Kaya siguro a day lang.
Okay.
A day, magsasurvive yung laundry business mo. Pero kasi yung nangyari sa amin, sir, may malaking water tank din yung building namin. So sa taas, sobrang ganda ng water supply niya. So kahit mawala ng 1 week, meron pa rin siyang supply sa taas. So doon din kami kumukuha. So that's one of the factors na kailangan mong alamin. May magandang water wastage system yung building kasi may mga ganyan na building na may provisions na sila for that. Hindi ka na mag-e-effort na gawan.
Okay.
So, yun. Marami kang pwedeng dapat i-consider when setting up a laundry business. So, you really need to have full knowledge, tapos, yun, guidance from someone na
Expert.
Okay.
Ito, I started this video saying na ito yung startup costs for building a laundry business. Is it safe to say na pag magpapatayo ko ng laundry business, startup capital, paayos, design, yung mga machines, yung setup ng water tank, abuti ka dapat at least 2 million pesos enough na yun para may pang sweldo ka, may pang kuryente ka for the very very first year? Or is that too much naman? Or do you suggest lapasan nyo ng 2 million?
Yun if you have mahabang PC ba yun?
Okay.
It's better. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng negosyo na mag-work siya agad, na makukuha mo agad. Kumbaga magba-break even. Swerte ka na if mag-break even siya for first month, second month. So, kailangan meron ka talagang working capital.
Okay.
Mahaba-haba. Mahabang working capital para mag-survive yung business mo. And then, doon ka na may allowance ka na for doing your, kumbaga, kung hindi nag-work dito sa location, so you can do, alam kang pwedeng gawin, like magbigay ka ng flyers sa mga condos, pwede kang mag-deliver and deliver and pick up. Ngayon, meron na ring mga app mga app na pwede mong gamitin na they will drop off laundry from parang Grab.
Okay.
Kukuha
Pero
sila
laundry lang.
kukuha sila ng laundry from the customer, dadalhin nila sa'yo, then sila din yung pipick up.
Okay.
So may mga ganun na app, so you can do that. Marami ka rin yun. Dapat may mahaba kang
Galing. So, I'll end this first part of this video. First, ang bilis ng oras, ang dami natin na pag-usapan, no? But we're gonna do more of this. What's the name of your laundry shop for people who want to at least visit and see you? And then, how can they get in touch with you? But for sure, I'll put the link to her YouTube channel sa below. Guys, wag niyo na panoorin siya na lang. Sobrang galing niya. Sobrang yaman. So, sige, what's the name of the shop?
Okay. So, yung shop namin is located in UERM.
Okay.
At the back of UERM, Dr. Spin Laundrette Lounge. Medyo makarte lang.
Okay.
But, yun nga, Dr. Spin Laundrette Lounge and in Velazo Residences, Kapiligan, Doña Imelda, Quezon City. And if you want to avail of my coaching service, if you want to start your laundry business, you can DM or contact me on my email, joycegabia@gmail.com or 0916-760-1825.
Grabe, kompleto, pati number.
Well, next week.
Okay. So we'll end it there. In the next video, may gusto mong mga tanong na ano yung mga biggest problems mo pag nag-start ka ng laundry shop, ano yung mga nagiging challenges as well. Pero I'll end this video with this. Why do you want to teach people about the laundry business? Kasi kung ginagawa mo to, tinutulungan mo yung competitor mo parang dumadami rin yung competitor mo. Pero why do you want to teach people about starting laundry shops?
Okay, so yung drive ko to do this kasi when I was starting, I don't have much knowledge kasi din na nakukuha through online, yan, kung paano mag-start. And talagang nangapa ako nun. So what I did is, pumunta ako sa mga laundry business and nag-observe ako, tinatanong ko yung mga staff nila. So nakita ko lang na walang ganong available na information. And mahirap kasi to start a business kasi malaki yung capital. So ayoko na masayang yung capital nyo for the laundry business. So sabi ko nga na I want to help.
Okay.
If you're willing to set up a business like this. Oo.
Galing.
So yun yung naging drive ko nun kasi gusto ko talagang maka-help nga.
Galing. So, if you guys are learning from this, comment, I want Joyce. So, we're gonna do more of this. No? So, ayun lang, we feature different people, different walks of life, different businesses so that you can get something from all of them and you can learn from them as well. So, this is Marvin Germo with Joyce Yeo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon. Bye, everyone.
Thank you.